Good morning, everybody. My name is Nico J, and today I'm going to share a strategy with you guys that I've been running for quite some time. And not only has this given me fairly decent returns, but it also brought down my trading time quite a bit. So I don't have to spend that much time in front of the charts every day. And yeah, I'm using pocket option for this. If you guys have a pocket option account, you can definitely go try this in a demo. If you do not have an account with pocket option, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can follow. Just open a demo account, it's free, and give it a go. See what you think of this. So without any further ado, let's head over to the chart and I'll show you guys exactly what it is I'm doing. Okay, as you guys can see here, I am running a line chart on pocket option, and you will notice that I've got a 5-second expiry on this. Indicators that I'm using is three moving averages. One's 50, one is 100, and one is 200. The RSI and the stochastic oscillator, both of these are on default settings, so nothing much you have to change there. And what are we looking for? It's very simple. What I do is, by the way, this is an OTC strategy. I'm not using this on the real market, but only OTC charts because they tend to drift in one direction for long periods of time. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a chart like this one at the moment that's in a clear direction downwards, right? This can be upwards as well, but I need a clear trend, a very visible trend. I won't look at anything that's going sideways or moving. This one, for example, is not something I'm going to be interested in. But at the moment, Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar is moving in a clear downwards direction, and it has been for a while. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to look for areas where my RSI hits the middle line and play those rejections. Even better is if this happens on one of the moving averages I've got. That's the ideal trade for me. Sometimes you have to wait quite a bit for them. Sometimes you'll be scrolling through the charts and you won't find anything that's moving in a certain direction. I'll just go and do something else for a bit, grab a cup of coffee, give it a few minutes and come back. One of the assets will definitely be moving in a direction. It doesn't take too long for one of them to start pulling in a certain direction. So let's see if we can find some trades. We check that one now. Okay, so this is kind of sideways movement. Although it's moving upwards, I'm looking for something that's like really bailing in one direction. This is ideal for me. Okay, so although it does look like it's been pushing through here, I want them to be, I want the moving averages to all be in a downwards direction in this case, because this is moving down, but right now it looks like this might be changing direction. So let's find another one. This is up and down, up and down. Like I said, sometimes it takes a while to find an asset that's moving in a certain, like decently trending in one direction, but we'll see one. We'll find one just now. Again, no direction. My timing might have been a bit off on this video, but let's find one. You guys will also see it's very decent payouts, which is awesome. It's very forgiving. The higher your payout, the more forgiving an asset will be. Okay, so this looks like something. This is moving in a decent direction. So let's see. I'm going to wait for my RSI to like hit the middle line, and I'm just going to play the bounce. That's all I'm going to do, and we'll see how that goes. So there's the bounce. I'm going to take a 5-second trade. And it's good. Great, let's look for more. So now I'll just wait a bit and see what this does. I would love if this comes down to the to the moving averages and start doing the same thing. As you can see, my moving averages are all pointing upwards. None of them looks like they're going to be crossing at any time soon. So notice how the RSI is hitting okay, now it's pulled through. But I'm getting this. If this bounces to this and it like really goes oversold, might actually risk a call trade as well, a buy trade there. But it looks like this might be changing direction now as well. Let's hit that. Let's hit that. Nah. Okay, no. Let's find something else. There's no need to rush. There's no need to take unnecessary risks. Also, we've got good movement here. And this is ideal. We're going to hit the middle line on the RSI. It's almost on the moving average here. And let's take a bit late there. But there we go. Great stuff. Great stuff. And this is what I'm looking for. No rush. I just look for something that's trending. And yes, like I said, I bounce them off the middle RSI. And I also keep an eye on the stochastic. If my stochastic is above the 50 line, I know it's fairly safe to take buy trades. If it's below, it's fairly safe to take sell trades. Sell trades and buy trades, but it has to coincide with my bounce strategy, right? So it's just to like kind of confirm the direction. This might be a call here, but I'm not going to risk it. There's zero reason for me to take unnecessary risks, because the strategy is based off the fact that that OTC charts tend to trend in one direction for short periods. So I really try to avoid reversal trades here. I really do. In the normal market, I would often do the reversal trades, but on this, no. I'm just looking for continuation. So looking for an uptrend, for example, and hitting taking buys into the uptrend. And if it's downtrends, I'm definitely going to take a small call. Yeah. Ooh. Fantastic. That was a quick 3 trades. I don't know how long I've been doing, but this video is super short. So yes, this is what I've been doing for a while, and like I said, it's been working very good for me, very well. And we don't even have to go that low. I scroll a bit, but then I just start at the top again. And look for something that's trending. This is too much up and down. It's not clear direction because we've got higher highs and then lower highs. Not what I'm looking for. This one, this is the area where you want to trade. I mean, if you look at the bounce there, so this is what like I said, you just look for bounces off the middle line of the RSI, and preferably on or very close to one of these. But this chart is not valid for me anymore. Clear upwards direction here. So if I find one like this, what I'm going to do now is wait for my RSI to come down and bounce it off the middle line. I've got all 3 moving averages. Like I said, the 50, the 100, and the 200. I've got all 3 of them moving in an upwards direction. They don't look like they're about to cross. Could change very quick, but it's pulling too much. Let's look for another one. This is too much sideways movement, so that's not something I'm going to be watching. Nope. Definitely not. This looks like it might be changing direction. So not something I'm going to be looking at. Again, too much up and down. It's sideways movement. Definitely not what I'm looking for. No. This looks like it might be changing direction. But this, like I said, this is it. Sometimes if the charts are, we've got something here. So let's see what happens. This is lovely. These are opening up. They're moving further and further away from each other, which is great. Tells me the trend is likely to continue. So I'm just going to wait for a bounce there on the RSI on the middle line, the 50 line, and yeah. See, this is close to my moving average here. Come on. Okay, we lost that one. Might have been a tad hasty, or also could be changing direction. I'm going to take another one here. Yes, fantastic. So you guys see how that's bounced off the moving average. And this is, like I said, on the RSI middle, on the moving average. This is the ideal trade that I'm looking for. And if this rejects, we might as well take another one, but it doesn't look like it's rejecting that much. Okay, on to the next one. Let's see what we can find. Sideways movement. Nope, I'll avoid that. I skipped one. This looks like it might be the start of a this has been moving down quite a lot, so let's see what happens. Moving averages are opening up. Let's see if we can get one trade here as well. It's pushing up, hitting the middle. I'm just going to take a sell. 5-second expiry. Boom. That's it. This is what I've been doing for quite a while. Like I said, it's working for me. And it really cut the time that I have to spend in front of the charts every day, which gives me a lot of more free time to work on other things. But yeah, like I said, guys, if you want to give this a shot on demo, please practice. Don't be foolish and rush into things. Practice a bit, see how it goes. I don't know of many brokers that will offer you a 5-second expiry though. I use a pocket option. I switched to them a while ago, and haven't looked back. Apologies. I haven't looked back. If you don't have an account, like I said, I'll leave in the description at the bottom of in the description below in the video. It's 100% free to open an account. You guys can also catch me on their YouTube channel. Keep an eye on the YouTube channel there, and I do some live streams there from time to time. So if you guys are watching, you can ask questions. We're discussing different topics, different trading strategies, explaining indicators, all that nice stuff. Very educational, and you can catch me there from time to time, about once a week. So just keep an eye on that. Yeah, make sure you follow them. If you like this, follow me, subscribe. I'm going to be pushing quite a few videos in the coming months, and hopefully we'll get everybody to improve their trading, improve their win rates, and make some money. Until then, guys, keep well, have a great time, trade safe, and see you next time.